Now, this style of trading is very manual, which means you really need to stay focused on your chart analysis at all times. It's not just about watching the arrows, you also need to pay close attention to the smoothness of the FX Scanner Pro indicator lines, because that smoothness tells you a lot about the strength and direction of the current trend. Right here, we have an arrow pointing upward, but take note, all of our scanner lines are still in a smooth, flowing downward motion. However, the two lines at the bottom have already begun shifting upward, and that's a key signal. What this tells us is that within the next few minutes, there's a strong possibility of a trend reversal to the upside. Because of this, we're going to adjust our trade duration to 2 to 3 minutes rather than the standard 1 minute. This gives us a higher chance of capturing that reversal move, since the FX Scanner Pro has detected a potential trend shift playing out over the next 3 to 5 minutes. At this point, we're in a 50-50 situation, simply waiting and hoping for that upward reversal to confirm itself. And on that particular trade, it ended as a draw. No loss, no win. We entered at $20, and since we've already hit our daily profit target, there's no pressure here at all. Let's move on to a different currency pair and look for our next opportunity. As you can see here, there's a strong and clear downtrend in play. Price waves are consistently moving from higher levels down to lower ones, forming a clean, readable pattern. This looks like a solid setup to trade down, so we're going in for a 3-minute down trade. And that's a great result right there. Clean trade, clean exit. Now here's another excellent reversal point worth paying attention to. We're looking at Euro JPY, and this is a textbook uptrend confirmation. The indicator lines are flowing smoothly, the arrow is pointing upward, and both of the lower lines are trending in the same direction. This is a high-quality spot to place an up trade, and we're going in. Our trades still continue to go up, already at the top, and got winning trade on that. Euro JPY is giving us another solid uptrend confirmation here, with everything aligned well for the trend to continue upward over the next 3 minutes. Make sure you watch the full video for more trade setups like this, and don't forget to subscribe for the latest strategies on Quotex and other trading platforms. By using the right tools like FX Scanner Pro, you can seriously cut down on bad trades and start trading with more confidence. We also have a Euro GBP Uptrend Confirmation setting up here, and we'll be covering that in full detail as the session continues. We've got a good reversal signal forming at the bottom, so we're going to enter an up trade for 3 minutes with our standard $20 entry. Now here on Euro GBP, we're looking at a very clear and aggressive downtrend. Price has been dropping steadily for quite some time, and what we're watching for here is a potential exhaustion point, where the selling pressure starts to slow down. Not every trade will be a winner, but the key is protecting your capital